So what is it that causes tooth decay?
It's plaque. Plaque is a mixture of the food, your saliva, a little bit of blood in the gums if it's infected, and there's millions of bacteria inside plaque. And like we talked about, the way it forms is it's like a snowflake, very organized, and you can't really scrape it off. And with time, if you don't remove it right away, all the bacteria will eventually cause acid, which will destroy your teeth. And your body tries to defend itself by calcifying the plaque. So your saliva really helps. It makes the plaque hard. And
so that's the noise I'm hearing when the dentist is
yes,
cleaning my teeth.
It's called tartar. Now
right.
tartar doesn't